Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the triple interlocking block stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 2. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. Make 1 double crochet into the next chain, and then 1 double crochet into the next chain. So that's 3 double crochet made so far. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 chains. Into the next 3 chains, make 1 double crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Skip 3 chains. Into the next 3, make 1 double crochet into each. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Make 3 chains. Skip 3 chains. At the end of your row, you're going to have 3 chains left to work into. Make 1 double crochet into each of those 3 chains. So that's 1, 2, and 3. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, make 3 chains. You're going to skip the first 3 stitches or the first 3 double crochet. You're now going to be making 3 double crochet over this chain 3 space where we skipped. Right now, for our second row, you're going to be working them into these chains that we made when we made our first initial chains. But going forward, you can see that we skipped 3 double crochet right here, and you're going to skip these here. Going forward, you're going to be working into the previously skipped double crochet. Just for your second row to start this stitch, you're going to be working these double crochet into these 3 chains. So into this first chain right here, make a double crochet. Into this next chain, make a double crochet. And then into this third chain, make a double crochet. Make 3 chains to skip over the next 3 stitches or 3 double crochet. Into this next open space made from these 3 chains, you're going to make 3 double crochet, but you're going to work them into these 3 chains right here at the bottom. So this is the first one, the second one, and the third one. Make 3 chains, skip 3 stitches. Into the next space, make 3 double crochet into those 3 chains. That's the first one, the second, and the third one. When you get to the end of your row, you're going to make 3 chains to skip these 3 stitches. Right here at the end is some turning chains from our last row, and you're going to make a single crochet into the top of that turning chain, just like that. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 2 chains. So you can see to start we have this chain 3 space. You're going to make a double crochet into each of these stitches from our second row. So these double crochet. So you're going to make 1 double crochet in the first one, 1 double crochet into the second one, and then 1 double crochet into the third one. Make 3 chains, skip 3 stitches or 3 double crochet. Same thing in the next chain 3 space. You're going to be working into the tops of these previous double crochet under these chains. So right here into the first one, 1 double crochet, into the second one, 1 double crochet, and then into this third one, 1 double crochet. And you can see on this row, we're creating these chain spaces as well when we skip. So when you work your next one, you're going to be working into those double crochets that you skipped. So the only difference of the second and third row, which you will be alternating between, is really how it starts and how it ends. The middle is going to be exactly the same. You're going to make 3 double crochet, chain 3, skip 3, 3 double crochet, chain 3, skip 3. So right here, we're going to chain 3, skip 3 stitches or 3 double crochet. Into the tops of these previous ones, you're going to make a double crochet. So that's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, skip 3. At the end of our row, we have another open space. You're just going to do the same thing. You have the 3 double crochet that you're going to work into. So into the first one, we're going to make our first double crochet. Into that second one, our second double crochet. And then our third one, or our last stitch, make that third double crochet. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the triple interlocking block stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.